Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and chat in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and chat in Dark War Survival. So in the bottom right corner here, as you can see, we can see the message icon where you need to click on. And now here, as you can see, we have a lot of options. We have the report. So here I have no mails currently. As you can see, I have none. We have the jungle, aliens, system, where of course this is the system which will of course get you the messages. Recharge and favorite. So whenever you get the messages, you can reply on there. I have no at the moment. And here you can have read and claim all in the bottom right corner, which will make your process easier. And that's how you can actually go and chat in Dark War Survival. So your chat is in the bottom right corner and you have all of these segments which you can of course go and do. And of course you can chat with other people when you're in an alien. So basically when you have the aliens, you'll have the alien chat here which you can enter and talk to people from your aliens and see what you need to go and do in the game. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.